I'm Regina Webb from Bowling Green, Kentucky, and we recently just became a TSPA in December of last year, and I'm super excited to be a part of that. My history is I have been a hairstylist for over 50 years. I have been a salon owner for 26 years, coming up in June, and I have been a school owner since 2010. So it's took me a little while to become accustomed to, being a part of the SPECnation as opposed to having just my own private school. However, the opportunities that I have as an owner of a school, being the franchisee, and also the opportunities for my teachers, my educators that I have in the school, and then also for our students. It's just a wide range of, I was a Redken artist also for about 25 years, and I am a certified color specialist also, and I know the importance of education. The conversion has been a really great process. I found that the people who are in charge of operations, such as Heather, Becky, Kirsten, all of these people have just been overwhelming at giving me the answers that I need and the forward to go ahead and build this, spill this, great school that I want to have. And I have a huge vision that I've been a smaller school, but I'm ready to go big because I really want people to be able to have this opportunity, that we can draw people from not just our region, and our local area, but reaching out much farther. And you know what? They know the Salon Professional Academy, they know Redken, and they have a belief behind that will cause people to come and seek out what we're doing in our area. Being a private school owner, yes, you have opportunities, but there's nothing like the opportunities that you have with being part of the Redken family and the SPECnation family. So what's important is being able to give the students the education and the opportunities that I have been able to have. You have a family and you have the resources that you just don't have as an independent school owner. And I have all the vendors here, the best vendors, not just vendors, but the best vendors, and I don't have to seek out by myself all of the vendors. And so I can just go right to the vendors. I'm about saving time and about moving on, getting this information and moving on. And so I just find that it has condensed my time of being and looking and searching. It's all right here. And so now, I'm going to be able to give my school, the educators, employees that work for me, and the students many more things than I could have as an independent salon owner and school owner.